Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to search for a word in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First open your Google Doc. As you can see here, there are two ways to open the find word option. First, click on edit. Here you can see find and replace. Click on this. Now type the word you want to find. Let's suppose I want to find C letter. C. Now you can see the letter C is highlighted. How many times C letter are used you can see here as well, and you can replace it also. Another shortcut method to search a word in Google Doc is press Command and F. This is for Mac. Just write the alphabet and you can see here, and for Windows you have to press Ctrl plus F. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.